Right, this is not a video I thought I'd be making anytime soon, but I have sold my ISF. If you've been around the channel since the start, first off, thank you. Secondly, you'd know how much I sing the praises of this car. I love it. So in this video, I'm going to explain why I'm selling it, or have sold it, and what is next for me and this channel. This car has been great for me. I went to Europe in it, as you may know, traveled all the way up to the top of the country to get it. It's been great, faultless, I absolutely love it. And I do genuinely believe it is the best one car solution you can get for the price, or at least one of them. The question I'm sure a lot of you are asking is, what car is next? Now, the YouTuber in me would say, subscribe, stay tuned, find out. Since recording that intro, I've bought the replacement. Here it is, Lotus Exige S. This is my very early Series 2 Chili Red Exige S, 43,000 miles on it, touring and sport plus package, originally owned by Lotus up in Hethel. And no, I'm not too sure how I've ended up with one of these after an ISF, very opposite. Got naturally aspirated versus forced induction, heavy versus light, two-seater, saloon, basically very, very different, but I absolutely love it. And don't worry, it's not lost on me. The top comment is going to be lots of trouble, usually serious. Gone from a Lexus, which is reliable, to unreliable. Like I say, polar opposites. Does it have issues? Yes, yes it does. Am I going to sort them out? Yes, I am. I'm prepared for it because this is just unreal. It's like driving a supercar. Because of the issues, I'm not going to do a driving impressions video until the next video on this car. This is more of an announcement of my new car. It's unbelievable. It's got the touring and the sport plus package. I'm not entirely sure what that means. I've been searching all the forums, but if anyone does know, drop it in the comments. But I believe it's got the lightweight forged wheels. It's got aircon. It's got, well, it doesn't work actually. That's another thing. It's got a stereo. It's got carpets. It's got the sports bucket seats. It's kind of got a combination of both, the luxury and the sports side of things. It's also got a stage 3 exhaust, I believe, on since 2006. It's got a soft top conversion as well. So a soft top at home if I want to put that on. Basically, it's got everything I want, other than the fact it's got a couple issues. We'll dive into that in another video. Here I am inside my Lotus Exige S. I can't believe I have this car. When I look at it, I cannot believe I've got it. I actually bought this the same day I sold my ISF. I sold my ISF in the morning, went to view this in the evening and bought it the same day. So a roller coaster of emotions in one day. Like I say, another video will be my driving impressions, but it's safe to say I absolutely love it. And what you expect out of a Lotus, if you've never driven one, which I had only driven a Lotus Elise. If you've never driven one, imagine how they are to drive, times that experience by 5, there you are. That is how I would describe it. Unbelievable. The feeling it gives me is just exactly what I want out of a car. Sense of occasion, raw, loud, fast, so good. Love it. But yeah, that's my driving impressions, but without my driving impression. In here is pretty bare. These seats are straight back, and I did a 2-hour journey home after I bought the car. Pretty uncomfortable. With a little cushion on the lower back, it'd probably be fine, but they're not too bad. They're decently wide. If someone's here, they are touching your shoulders, as I found on the way home. My twin brother was next to me and we were, touching pretty much. I had to keep moving them over so I could change gear. In terms of issues, there'll be a separate video where I try and get this car up in the air and diagnose the issues myself. Worst case, if it's too problematic, I will send it to a specialist. But there's a slight knock on the rear. I think I know what it is. I think it's the rear toe links, which are quite a common issue on these. I believe it's that, which is why I don't really want to drive it hard for a video, because if that fails, you can crash. And I don't fancy doing that, especially with clamshells and fiberglass and the lack of crumple zones. So yes. I was originally only looking at the naturally aspirated Exiges or the 111R Elises, which are the 2ZZ naturally aspirated 1.8, 190 brake horsepower Lotuses. Lovely cars. I was then looking at Elises, and then I saw an Exige for similar price, and I thought, oh, I didn't think they'd be in the same budget, just because I always look at the Exiges to step up. But the naturally aspirated ones aren't too far off the 111R Elises. So if you are looking for one, those are kind of level. And then you've got the S, which is a supercharged one, which is this one, which is higher up. And it was just coincidental that I found this one at the right time, at the right price, at the right spec, that I could actually get one and not get the naturally aspirated one. I would have easily had the naturally aspirated one, and I think I would have been just as happy. I was going to look at a yellow one, but it's a little bit leggy. Spec and color wise, I didn't really want a red car at all, I'll be honest. I was looking at the yellow ones, I was looking at grey ones, black ones. There's not a lot out there, granted, but red wasn't really on my radar, not really something I wanted to buy, a red sports car. I just feel like it's a very midlife crisis, but here we are, because this chili red is unbelievable. And if everything else ticks the boxes, why not red? And to be fair, since I bought it and since I saw it in real life, I was like, oh wow, yeah, it suits the car. It's a loud car, why not have a loud colour? And by that I mean design language. It's aggressive, it's got wings, it's got aero. Why not? Get a red one. Yeah, I was going to get red or yellow, and here we are, red. A lot of people have asked me, why did I sell the ISF? And I'm sure some of you might be thinking the same thing. You love that car, you always went on about it. Yes, I did. And I do love it. But the reason was, I love driving. Now, the ISF is great to drive and great to daily and great everything. Like I say, great one car solution. But on a spring morning, the sun's out, it wasn't inspiring me to get in the car and go for a drive. And that is what I love. I've had MX-5s, had S2000s. Well, I say plural, I've only had one S2000. I've had multiple MX-5s, and those sort of cars that you just want to get in and go for a drive, and it's just fun, exhilarating, just an experience that you just want to get in and go for a drive. I don't know if that's making sense to you or translating to you, but that is what I wanted in a car. Yes, you can't really have that with the dailyable features that you like in the ISF, which is why you kind of need two cars. And I recently got a garage which allows me to put this in the garage and get a daily. If I could only have one car, I'd still have the ISF, no problems, 100%. But this is just, yeah, the sun's out. I want to take the Lotus out. I've had it a day. So yeah, I know obviously the new car feeling, granted, but it's just so special. It is just so special. So yes, here is my main replacement for the ISF. I wanted something different. Driving this is like driving, I imagine, an F50, an F40. It's an absolute sense of occasion. It's unbelievable. It's so fast. Yes, okay, maybe it's not the fastest thing on the road, but it feels so raw, so fast. And it's what I love out of cars. And I don't really know why I steered away from it with the ISF. I do love the ISF, don't get me wrong, but this is what I'm about. Raw, unhinged, no driver age, just absolute driving experience. Anywhere, even if you're going 30 miles an hour, you're having a good time. Yes, you're bouncing around, but it's what I think driving's about for me personally, and I love it. So unfortunately, all of that does mean this is the last video I will ever do on this car, the Lexus ISF, the car that started the channel, the car that I thoroughly enjoyed and been a big part of my life for the last 18 or so months. It's been great. Thank you for everyone that's watched the content I've done on this. I really appreciate it. Thank you for everyone that's subscribed off the back of content I've done on this car. If you were specifically subscribed to this, I apologize. I hope you stick around for me and not just this, but I understand if not. Let me know what you think about it. Be sure to drop me a subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Loads more videos coming with this. Am I going to track it? I don't know. Probably not, because I've got the Clio 182 to track, and it's very nice. Fucking windy as fuck. Probably should move the car, get different angles going. That's all right, I'll voice over and overlay and stuff, will be fun. Wait for the wind to go, wait for the wind to go, it's picking up. Oh, fuck it, should I just turn it around? Do a little back 3/4 shot, pause.